In this video, I'm going to show you how to show category pages on your shop page within WooCommerce in just a few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So if you want to create a similar setup like this, here we are on our shop page. Here you can see we've got our categories displaying on our shop page so our users can quickly navigate to the relevant department in which they're looking for. Also as well, here you can see we've got a lovely product table display. And again, here we can quickly find the particular products we're looking for via this category filter here. As you can see, it's super fast. It's way quicker than actually clicking through to the actual category page. As you can see, we've got to wait for it to load, whereas on the main product page, the benefit of having this product table grid is that the user can quickly and efficiently find exactly what they're looking for. So let's head back over to the shop page again, one more demonstration. Here we are, we've got our categories displaying, and again we can go ahead and filter by music. Here we can see all the particular products within this category, and again here if we just select, let's go ahead and search for something. And there we go, we can find a product super quickly and we can quickly add it to cart also. So if you want to create a similar setup on your WooCommerce store, I'll show you how to do so in just a few simple steps. Okay, so the first step is to navigate to woosuite.com. Once you're on the website, go ahead and click on WooCommerce product table. Once you've downloaded the WooCommerce product table plugin, let's head back to our dashboard. And then we just want to navigate to plugins, add new. When you downloaded the plugin, you would have received a WooSuite core plugin file. You just want to go ahead and click on upload, choose file, and install the particular file in which you just downloaded. Once you've installed the WooSuite core plugin, you'll see this WooSuite menu here. You want to go ahead and click activate to activate your license key. Once you've done so, then we want to head over to add-ons. And I've already got this installed, but I'll just show you the process. And then we'll just search for product table here, and then we'll just click install. We'll see an install button here. You just want to click install, and once it's installed, just toggle it on. Once you've done so, we can go ahead and click manage. Okay, and then here we're going to toggle these two options on. So here I'm enabling our product table display view on our shop page and our shop archive, and our shop product page as well. Next thing you want to do is head over to this section here, and by default this will be blank, and then we just want to customize our product table. So we want to add it, well, in my particular example, I'm going to add an image, and then I'm going to add the product name. So let's find the name. Here we go, and then we're just going to add a short description of the product. And also we're going to add the price as well. Can't forget the price. And then we're just going to add a add to cart button. And that's all we're going to do for our table. You can rearrange it if you want just by dragging and dropping it. And then for the image size, I've set mine to 250 pixels width by 200 in height. So I'm just going to go ahead and edit this. I want it slightly smaller. So I'm going to change this to 200 by 150. And let's see how that looks. And then we'll see how that looks. Okay, so that's it for our product table section. The next thing we want to do is go ahead and navigate to form controls. And then here we just want to find this section where it says product filters. Here I've just changed mine to custom, and then I've just entered in the word categories because we want to show the categories as a product filter. And then once you've done that, just hit save changes. And now let's navigate to our shop page and see how it's looking. Okay, perfect. Here we can see our product table displaying perfectly. One thing which I've just noticed is that this product name isn't in the correct order, so let's head back over here and let's change that before we move on. So here you can see we've got the product name all the way at the bottom. I'm just going to drag and drop it right there, right next to the image. So we'll have the image showing first and then the product name. So let's save changes. Okay, settings saved successfully. And now let's refresh this page and let's see the changes. Okay, perfect. And now this is displaying it beautifully. Now the next step we want to do, we want to add this category section here. It's optional. I'm going to do it just in case there's any particular viewers wanting this section here. But without that section, our product table will work perfectly fine, because here we've got the category filter, which is way faster than actually clicking on the actual category and waiting for the page to load again. Let me illustrate. So we can click on the clothing category, as you can see, and this provides a seamless user experience, meaning they can quickly find a particular product in which they're looking for, proceed to checkout. But again, just for the viewers that want to add this particular section, we'll go to customize. Now the process might be slightly different a bit based on what theme you're using, but it should work for 90% of the themes out there by clicking on the customizer button here. And then once the customizer is loaded, we'll navigate to where it says WooCommerce, and then we'll click on product catalog. And then here you can see on our product display page, we're actually showing only the product categories, and that's because we're showing our product table. We can select show only products if we want. Our product table will still display because we've toggled that on in the WooSuite settings. Okay, and in this case, our product table is replaced in the default WooCommerce product grid display. And we can also select show categories and products. But again, for my example, I'm only going to show the categories, because again, we're using the WooSuite product table. If you don't want to use the WooSuite product table, in that case, you just select show categories and products. Once you've done that, just hit publish, and the changes should reflect on the front end of your site. You can go ahead and double check by closing this customizer off. Here you can see the changes has been published. So we'll just go ahead and click this off, and that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. All the links and resources will be in the description below. And if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment box below, and we'll catch you in the next video.